Okay, so we're a bit mad. We're just at Salcey Forest and we can hear thunder. Vlogger, what's your vlog?
Exactly.
Come on, tell us.
That's embarrassing. Okay, I'm a cross stitcher and I cross stitch.
Okay.
It's called Floss Tube.
Floss Tube.
Yes.
On YouTube.
On YouTube, but my username is Dreaming in Ada.
Dreaming in
Ada as the fabric.
Ah, okay. Wicked.
Woo!
I know what to do. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
This is Gemma, who is a fellow Munzee hunter.
Yep.
So I'm going to get you to explain what Munzee hunting is.
Right, it's a bit of a it's a scavenger hunt really. You have to search for QR codes, you know those little black and white square pixelated things, and you scan them with your device, your app. The Munzee app is free to download. It's all brilliant. It's on OS, Apple,
iOS,
and
not Ordnance Survey.
and on Android, you can literally do it all over the world.
And
And
in the forest.
there's on the purple route. There's one called the Salcey carrot.
The Salcey carrot.
Why don't you stay by me now? Wait a moment while I clean my hands, yeah. Baby, where are you going? Why don't you stay by me now? Wait a moment while I clean my hands, yeah.